House construction cost per square feet. 500 square feet material cost and labor cost. Cement. Cements are used in foundation, basement, column, beam, roof, plastering, brickwork, other works, etc. For 500 square feet house, 250 bags of cement are required. The current market rate of a cement bag is rupees 340. When you multiply 250 bags into rupees 340, you get rupees 85,000. These cost changes from area to area. Check the cement market rate in your nearby area. Steel. Steels are used in foundation, tie beam, roof, lintel, column, beam, sunshade, other steelworks, etc. For 500 square feet house, 2,250 kg of steel are required. The current market rate of steel is from rupees 72 to 75 per kilogram. Some other brand steel is available from rupees 68 to 70 also. Check the steel current market rate in your nearby area. When you multiply 2250 kg into rupees 75, you get rupees 1,68,750. Bricks. Bricks are used in overall brickworks like basement, wall, staircase, parapet, etc. For 500 square feet house, 8,000 numbers of bricks are required. The current market rate of a brick is from rupees 11 to 12. When you multiply 8,000 numbers of bricks into rupees 11, you get rupees 88,000. M sand and P sand. M sand and P sand are used in all construction works. M sand. For 500 square feet house, 9 units of M sand are required. The current market rate of M sand is rupees 5,000 per unit. When you multiply 9 units into rupees 5,000, you get rupees 45,000. P sand. For 500 square feet house, 4 units of P sand are required. The current market rate of P sand is rupees 5,500 per unit. When you multiply 4 units into rupees 5,500, you get rupees 22,000. "20 mm and 40 mm aggregate. These aggregates are used in all types of concrete work. 20 mm aggregate. For 500 square feet house, 7.5 units of 20 mm aggregate are required. The current market rate of 20 mm aggregate is rupees 4,000 per unit. When you multiply 7.5 units into rupees 4,000, you get rupees 30,000. 40 mm aggregates. For 500 square feet house, 2 units of 40 mm aggregates are required. The current market rate of 40 mm aggregate is rupees 3,800 per unit. When you multiply 2 units into rupees 3,800, you get rupees 7,600. Gravel. Gravel is used for various purposes, including forming foundations, creating concrete mixes, building drainage systems, and landscaping. For 500 square feet house, 10 units of gravel are required. The current market rate of gravel is rupees 3000 per unit. When you multiply 10 units into rupees 3000, you get rupees 30,000. Tiles. Tiles are used in flooring, parking area, bathroom and in kitchen areas. Floor tiles. Floor tiles are required for 500 square feet. The current market rate of a floor tile is rupees 55. When you multiply 500 square feet into rupees 55, you get rupees 27,500. Next, wall tiles. Wall tiles are used in kitchen and in bathroom. Wall tiles are required for 250 square feet. The current market rate of a wall tile is rupees 45. When you multiply 250 square feet into rupees 45, you get rupees 11,250. Granite. Granites are used in kitchen countertop and in steps. Granites are required for 50 square feet. The current market rate of granite is rupees 200 per square feet. When you multiply 50 square feet into rupees 200, you get rupees 10,000. Electrical materials. For 500 square feet house, the total amount for electrical materials are rupees 60,000. Plumbing materials. For 500 square feet house, the total amount for plumbing materials would be rupees 40,000. Doors and windows for 1 BHK house. Main door rupees 30,000, which includes frame cost. This cost varies based on type of wood and design. Main window rupees 15,000, which includes frame cost. One bedroom door rupees 12,500, which includes frame cost. One toilet door rupees 4,000, which includes frame cost. 4 windows rupees 12,000, which includes frame cost. One ventilator rupees 2,000, which includes frame cost. Painting materials. Painting materials for inner and outer putty, primer, emulsion, whitewash in overall building, the cost would be rupees 40,000. Cement rupees 85,000. Steel rupees 1,68,750. Bricks 88,000. M sand rupees 45,000. P sand rupees 22,000. 20 mm aggregate rupees 30,000. 40 mm aggregate rupees 7,600. Electrical materials rupees 60,000. Plumbing materials rupees 40,000. Gravel rupees 30,000. Tiles and granite rupees 48,750. Doors and windows rupees 75,500. Paint rupees 40,000. When you add all these material costs, you will get the total material cost for 500 square feet houses rupees 7,40,600. Labor cost. Construction labor are done for 500 square feet. For that the amount is rupees 450 per square feet. When you multiply 500 square feet into rupees 450, you will get rupees 2,25,000, which includes centering work. Tile labor cost. Tiling work is done for 750 square feet. Tiling labor cost would be rupees 20 per square feet. When you multiply 750 square feet into rupees 20, you get rupees 15,000, which includes flooring and wall tile work. Granite labor cost. Granite work is done for 50 square feet. The labor cost for granite work is rupees 60 per square feet. When you multiply 50 square feet into rupees 60, you will get rupees 3,000. Plumbing and electrical labor cost. Plumbing and electrical works are done for 500 square feet. For that the labor cost is rupees 75 per square feet. When you multiply 500 square feet into rupees 75, you will get rupees 37,500. Carpenter labor cost is rupees 25,000. Painter rupees 20,000. Other cost is rupees 25,000. When you add all these costs, you will get the total labor cost is rupees 3,50,500. Total cost for 500 square feet house is equal to material cost plus labor cost, which is equal to rupees 10,91,100. Square feet rate is equal to rupees 2,182 per square feet, which you can get by dividing the total cost by 500. This is not a fixed cost. Construction work can be done for even less than rupees 2,000 per square feet also, which depends on place, type of brand, quality of materials used. Extra cost. Septic tank and sump rupees 50,000. Compound wall rupees 40,000. Approval cost rupees 30,000. Paver block rupees 20,000. Borewell cost rupees 50,000. When you add all these costs, you will get the total extra cost is rupees 1,90,000. Therefore, the total cost for 500 square feet house in 2025 is between 12 lakh to 14 lakh. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want this free PDF of 500 square feet house construction cost, kindly check the first comment below. If you like this video, kindly do subscribe Civil Engineering Shailu's Updates. Thank you.